The Skin Gig Relationship Toolkit, brought to you by Sankofa Counseling. Today's tool, fact-checking. Today's relationship tool is fact-checking. Fact-checking is that thing that helps us not completely kirk out when we hear something that really does not sit well with us. It gives a beat, it gives space for us to consider that maybe the person didn't actually mean what we think they meant. And if they did, maybe they can reconsider. So for instance, somebody says something to you and it hurts, it makes you furious. It feels like they're doing terrible, awful things. They're saying terrible, awful things about you. And you want to lash out. You want to say, well, you, blah, 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 right? So instead, if we get curious, what I think I just heard you say was that you think I lack character because I left some trash out in the backyard. Is that what you were saying? Oh, maybe they weren't. Or maybe they took too harsh a tone. Maybe they're really unhappy about the thing that you left in the backyard and it feels kind of embarrassing if the neighbors see it, you know, but they can deliver it very differently. That gives them an opportunity to soften it up. You say, no, I don't think you have low character. I'd really prefer that you didn't. Then you can use an XYZ. See the other video for that one. When you leave crap in the backyard, it leaves me feeling like you don't care how we appear in public, and that's not okay with me. I would prefer that you take more care with our public-facing self. So that was the XYZ mixed with the fact-checking, so bonus video. So fact-checking. You hear something that is not okay with you, ask a question about it instead of just going off on what you think you heard. If this was helpful to you, come on back, I got more. And share it with a friend. Let's help everybody do better.